One niche technology, 150 applications spread across 20+ industries. One leader,
The year was 1990 when Precihole Machine Tools was born, with the vision to create a business that would change Indian history in the niche technology of deep hole drilling. When the nationwide trend was of IT and telecommunication business, they were booming businesses. No one would even think of venturing into deep hole drilling since it's a very niche technology. But Mr. V.R. Nayak, the great visionary, designed India's first deep hole drilling machine, and Mr. A.S. Kulkarni and myself, we started this business. Today, even AI applications, ChatGPT and Bard recognize us as one of the world's top deep hole drilling machine suppliers. When your business grows at a certain pace, you assume or wish that it will progress steadily. But when it comes to our business, the graph is never linear. Our graph also saw its first downslope in 2008. The factory workers went on a strike due to some external forces. It went on for long 8 months. It wasn't just a hiccup. It was a full-blown crisis. But we learned and grew from every moment of it, with an amicable settlement of the dispute and an exceptional labor relation in the future. Precihole's growth skyrocketed year after year. It was this point that led to the birth of Precihole Sports, which went on to become India's #1 airgun brand within a year. And all this was done under the guidance of a homeopathic doctor, and a passionate enthusiast, Dr. Y.P. Silsat. The 2008 crisis taught us resilience and adaptability, the skills we have carried with us ever since. When you have to tap into the global market, there are unsaid rules, standards, and requirements that you have to be prepared with before entering. But since our inception, we had this vision of making India a manufacturing hub, at least for our technology. In 2021, we discovered Dun & Bradstreet, a global beacon of business credibility. I decided to give it a shot. Little did I know, Dun's number would turn into a golden key, opening doors we hadn't even knocked on yet. 2024, we have partnered with a UK company and our products will be reaching 40 countries very soon. We signed a MOU with the government of Maharashtra to fast-track our growth. The Dun's number helped pave our way into the global market, making us the first global exporter of Indian-designed air guns. This is history in the making. We are not just another Indian company. We are a trusted brand. Precihole is a trusted brand, drilling deep into the international market.